Very good morning, kids. Welcome to the online class of SBR. Myself, Anusuya. I am handling science for the fourth standard. Well, children, you are seeing so many things around you. There are so many type of plants, animals, human beings, birds, and so on. Children, before I start my class, I want to give a clear instruction about plants. Plants are playing a very vital role in our life. Plant gives us food, which we are eating in the form of fruits, vegetables, roots, and so on. Not only that, plant gives us air, the air which we breathe in. We breathe in oxygen in order to survive on the earth. So plants are playing a very vital role. So we and plants are interconnected children. So in the third chapter, we are going to study about more about the plants. In third lesson, I am going to teach you all more about the plants. More about plants. More about plants. Children, before I start my class, I want to give you some instruction. Children, please give me your classwork, textbook, pencil, pen, and so on. Whatever things you are needed, you have to remove it. Children, as you know, plants are playing a very vital role. We cannot survive on the earth without plants. Now, plants are divided into 5 types, children. Plants are divided into 5 types. So, I'm going to write types of plants first. Before I start my class, I want to show you about different types of plants. Types of plants. Types of plants. As I told you, plants are divided into 5. First is what, children? It is herb. In your previous classes, you have studied about different types of plants. Herbs, shrubs, trees, climbers, and creepers. First is what? Herbs. First we are going to study about herbs. Children, I am going to give you detailed study about herbs. What are herbs, children? Can you say me? Can you get an idea about herbs? Herbs. What are herbs? Can anyone remember? Yes, they are very small plants. They live for only few months. They are very small plants. They live for only few months. They have a very soft green stem. They have a very soft green stem. Shall I show you the shrubs, children? Shall I show you the herbs, children? Yes, these are herbs. What are these? These are coriander leaves. These are coriander leaves. In Kannada, we are going to call it as kothambri. In Kannada, we are going to call it as kothambri. Next is nothing but I am going to show you one more herb. That is palak. Palak. In our mother tongue, we are going to call it as palak. But in English, we are going to call it as spinach. What we are going to call it as spinach. Now, herbs. Shall we write, children? Please make a note in your book so that you will get a clear picture about different types of plants. Yes, write in our book. What are herbs? Herbs are small. They are small plants. They are small plants with thin green soft stem. Soft stem. They are small plants with thin green soft stem. They live for few months. They live for only few months. Example for this, I gave you 2 live example. One is coriander. Coriander. Coriander leaves. One more is spinach. Spinach. Yes. What are herbs, children? They are small plants with thin green soft stem. They live only for few months. Example for this is coriander leaves, spinach. Even I have brought the pictures for you all. Shall I show you all, children? Yes, I am going to show you even the pictures. Children, you see, what is this? Coriander leaves. This is coriander leaves. What is this, children? This is mint. For For this, we are going to call in Kannada as Pudina. This is Kotambri. Next, shall we move to the second one, children? Shall we move to the second one? Already we have finished about herbs. Now we move for the second one, that is shrubs. All finish copy down, children. Please copy down in your workbook so that you will get a clear picture. So that you will get a clear picture about all the plants. Children, now we will move to the next one, that is shrubs. Now we will move for the shrubs. They are also small plants. They are also small plants. They are also small plants. They are smaller than trees. They are smaller than trees. They are also small plants. They are smaller than trees. They have thick and woody. They have thick. They have thick and woody branches. They have thick and woody branches. They have thick and woody branches. What are shrubs, children? They are also small plants. They are smaller than the trees. They have thick and woody branches. Example for this is hibiscus. Hibiscus. One more example is rose. All are familiar with rose. Hibiscus. Shall I show you hibiscus flower, children? All know roses. This is hibiscus. This is hibiscus flower. For this we are going to call in Kannada as Dashala. We are going to call in Kannada as Dashala. Even I have got the pictures also. Shall I show you all, children? Yes. Two shrubs. One is rose. The other one is hibiscus. One is rose. The other one is hibiscus. Now, children, let me move for the third one. What is third one, children? We have finished herbs. We have finished shrubs. Now we'll move for trees. What are trees, children? Big and tall plants are called as trees. Right here. Big and tall plants. Big and tall plants are called trees. Big and tall plants are called as trees. They are hard and woody branches. They have hard and woody branches called trunk. They live for many years. They live for many years. Example for this is neem tree, banyan tree, banyan tree. Question: what are trees? Big and tall plants are called as trees. They are hard and woody branches called as trunk. They live for many years. Example for this is neem tree and banyan tree. Shall we move to the next one, children? Yes, we'll move to the next one. What is the next one? We had already finished herbs, shrubs, trees. Shall I show? Children, I can't bring a big tree and all. So I am going to show you only the pictures. Children, see, what is this? This is a banyan tree. This is a neem tree. Children, we'll move to the next one. Next one is what, children? We finished herbs, shrubs, trees. Now we'll move for the climbers. Now we'll move for the climbers. Now we'll move for the climbers. We had already finished 3. Now we'll move to the 4th one, that is climbers. What are climbers, children? Climber, the word itself shows that something. Climbing. Climbing means what? Climbing the steps. Climbing the steps. Climbing the steps. Notice, even when you're coming for your classes, you're going to climb the steps and come. Even for the ladders also, you're having some steps. Climbing means just we are coming up. Climbing itself means coming up. Children, what does climbers? They have these climbers are very thin and soft stem. They have very thin and soft stem They have very thin and soft stem. They cannot stand on their own. They cannot stand on their own. They need support. They need support to grow. They need support to grow. Example for this is grapevine. Grapevine is nothing but draksha hannu, money plant, which your parents are keeping for decorative purpose. Money plant. Yes, there are two climbers I gave you. Grapevine. Grapevine is nothing but grapes. Money plant is the thing which your mother is keeping in the home as for the decorative purpose. Next, we'll move for the 5th one. 5th one is what, children? Creeper. We'll move to the next one, that is creeper. Shall I show you the example of climbers, children? Yes. See, this is yes, children, see the live example. This is money plant. This is a money plant. This is a climber. In order to grow, what does it need? It needs support to grow. Even one more climber I have got. Not having grapevine, I have got one more. That is Amrutaballi, they'll say. It is also a climber. It cannot stand on its own. It needs support to grow. This is Amrutaballi and this is money plant. This is money plant. Children, even I will show you the pictures. I have got the pictures of grapevine. See here. This is a picture of a grapevine. This is also a climber. This is money plant. This is money plant. Children, we'll move to the next one, that is creeper. We'll move to the next one, that is creepers. They also have very thin and soft stem. They also have very thin and soft stem. They creep around. They creep on the ground. They creep on the ground. Or you can say one more thing. They grow on the ground. This is because they have very big fruit, children. Very big fruit. They are having very big fruit. Because of this only, they are going to reap. We are going to study about the creepers. I told you. Fifth one is creepers. Creepers. They are very thin and soft. They creep on the ground. This is because they are having very big fruit. Example for this is watermelon, pumpkin. Watermelon and pumpkin. Children, in all, we have studied 5 different types of plants. Shall I show you creepers also, children? Yes. I have just brought the pictures of the creepers. See, watermelon. Watermelon is also a creeper. This is pumpkin. This is pumpkin. This is watermelon. It is a creeper. This is pumpkin. It is also a creeper. Children, next we'll move. Now, children, you all know what are different types of plants? Plants are divided into 5. Those are herbs, shrubs, trees, climbers, and creepers. Children, I told you before only to read me your textbook also. Children, please read me your textbook, page number 50. Page number 50. Page number 50. Page number 50. So that you will have an idea of the plants also. See here, children. All remove your textbook. Now, as I told you, I am going to start the new chapter. This is more about the plants. See, children, they are said us to look at the picture and they are asking us to fill in the blanks. They have given us 3 plants here. They have given us 3 plants here. They have given the number below the each plant. First, in the fill in the blank, they are asking us plant number. So use your pencil to write the plant number here. Write your plant number 1, 2, and 3. Shall I write the board and show your children? Yes. Shall I write here? Okay. In page number 15, they have asked us to fill in the blanks. Firstly, they have said us to write the plant number. They said us to write the plant number. They have already given the numbers below the picture. What is plant number? 1, 2, and 3. Next is what? They are asking us the name of the plant. Second, they are asking the name of the plant. Name of the plant. Okay, can anyone say the name of the plant? First one is what, children? First plant. See, what is given the first picture? Which plant is this? This is hibiscus plant. Right here for the first number, hibiscus. Hibiscus. Shall I write once more, children? Yes. Hibiscus. Hibiscus plant. Which plant? Hibiscus plant. In the second picture, what did they give you? They gave us coriander leaves. They gave us coriander leaves, right? Coriander. Coriander leaves. What do we call in Canada for coriander leaves? It is kothambari. This is used by your mother in her kitchen, in her day-to-day life. Next is what, children? They have given us pumpkin. They have given us pumpkin. Next is pumpkin. Now they are asking the type of the plant. They are asking us the type of the plant. They are asking the type of plant. Okay. As I told you all before, hibiscus belongs to which family, children? I told you to copy in your book itself. No. Hibiscus belongs to which family? It belongs to a shrub family. Which family? Shrub family. Coriander leaves belongs to a first group. What is first group? It is shrub. It is herbs. Coriander leaves belongs to herbs. Yes, hibiscus belongs to shrubs. Coriander leaves belongs to herbs. Now next is what, children? Pumpkin. What is pumpkin, children? See, you can see pumpkin. Where does it belong? It belongs to a creeper. Pumpkin belongs to a creeper. Pumpkin belongs to a creeper. Yes, all finished writing? Yes, all finished writing? Children, now in order to continue our class work of second lesson, we'll start writing the answers from the second lesson, that is answer question number 4. Shall we start, children? Please review your class work, pencil, pen. Children, review your class work. Now, shall I rub the board, children? Or shall I wait for 2 minutes? Okay, children, now I will rub the board. We will continue same thing in the next session. More about the plants. In the next session, I am going to teach you all domesticated plants, wild plants, water hyacinth. I am going to give detailed description about them. Today, I am going to take you to write the classwork of the second lesson. Yes, children. Now, we are going to write the classwork of the second lesson. Already, we have finished writing 3 answers. Already, we have finished writing 3 answers. So, today we are going to write the 4th answer. Today I am going to make you camouflage. What is camouflage? Give an example. Give an example. Give an example. Answer. The hair or fur. The hair or fur. The hair or fur on the body of certain animals. The hair or fur on the body of certain animals help them to hide into their surroundings, the hair or fur on the body of certain animals help them to hide into their surroundings, is called camouflage. Example: polar bear in snow. Polar bear in snow. Polar bear in snow. Children, those who cannot follow my handwriting can listen to my voice. The hair or fur on the body of certain animals help them to hide into their surroundings is called as camouflage. Example: polar bears in snow. Now we'll move for the 5th question, children. Now I'll move for the 5th question. What are the different ways? What are the different ways? What are the different ways by which animals reproduce? Give example. They are asking us to give example. Give example. Children, now we'll write the answer to the 5th one. The different ways by which animals reproduce are the different ways by which animals reproduce. R. Shall I write up, children? Shall I write up? Yes. First one by laying eggs. First one by laying eggs. First one by laying eggs. First one is laying by laying eggs. By laying eggs. Example for this, can you give, children? Your mister already told you. Yes. Hen, butterfly, hen, butterfly, birds, etc. Now, second one, by giving birth to young ones. By giving birth to young ones. By giving birth to young ones. Yes. Can you give an example, children? You all have pets at home. What are they? How they are giving? They are giving birth to young ones. Example for this is cat, dog, even we human beings also. Cat, dog, tiger, etc. Even we human beings also give birth to young ones only. Now we move to the next one, children. Shall I have fifth one? Okay. Fifth one, you have to write this bit in the next new page. Next new page. You have to write in the next new page. What do you have to write here, you see, children? Yes. Write the heading. Next is how to answer the following. New page, new bit. You are having one more heading here. Yes. Paste 2 pictures of wild animals. They are asking in this is bit number 6. This is asking you to paste any two pictures of wild animals on one page, on the first page, and on the second page, 2 pictures of domestic animals. This is second page. This is the page where you put your heading. This is on the second page. You have to paste the pictures. Paste the picture of domestic animals. Domestic animals. Children. Yes, children. What is this sixth bit? Sixth bit is nothing but this is asking you to paste the pictures of wild animals. Any two wild animals. Lion, tiger, cheetah, or something or the other. And on the second page, you have to paste the pictures of 2 domestic animals. Cat, dog, any domestic animals which are kept in home. Yes, children. Thank you, children. We'll continue in the next session. Thank you, children. We'll continue in the next session.